Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get a fire hands effect for your video on a CapCut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut application, and after that you just need to open the project on the CapCut. And here I already have this video. I have these two hands on this video, and now let's add the fire effects for the hands. So you just need to bring the straight line into the beginning of the clip, and after that you just need to go click the effect. Now you just need to choose these body effects, and now you just need like scrolling or slide this section into the left side until you found these glowing lines, and after that you just need like scrolling down until you found the flame trails right here, and then you just need to go click it. Now go click this checklist button, and let's adjust it in the effects so that they will be applied into the whole video by drag this part. And here is the result. You'll see on the hands there will be like a flames effects or the fire look like, and that's the way how to get the fire on your hand effect on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.